Welcome to Startuplanes Biz, your partner in business success. In this video, we'll guide you through the user registration process and give you an overview of our platform. Open the link. Once you open the link, you'll see option to either create an account or register yourself. If already an account holder, do the needful. Select the role as I'm an entrepreneur, choose accordingly. As soon as the website opens, it shows the founder dashboard area. Dashboard. Founder dashboard is where we get to see the following details like your money balance, your leads worth, your fundability score, and as well as your funding application status. The dashboard further shows recent requirements, leads, and recent offers with a chart that makes it easier to understand. Investor dashboard shows all the records keeping tracks for an investor to focus on with commitment portfolio and investment portfolio. Job seeker dashboard provides you with money balance record, the jobs and system profile that you've created, a number of jobs that you've applied for with recent job posts that has been posted, and stats on the right side. Profile. Edit profile is a personal area which needs to be filled with all the personal details that has been asked for verification. This includes different areas as investment details, as per your business, and extended contact details. Moving forward to edit essential details, which is basic details along with the necessary details like social media URLs. View profile is the option which shows all your filled information at one place and gives you an option to edit the profile. Search profiles is where you can search people just by answering a few details asked, which is again very convenient. Business. Edit business profile. Here you need to fill the basic credentials of your business, which include such options as GST number, CIN number, etc. Search businesses is again a very convenient way through which you can search the business just by answering a few fields. View business profile is where a preview has been showed of your profile. Investment. Investment opportunities shows what current invest opportunities has been offered and lined up to you, which you can work. Ask Me Anything sessions. Search startups provides you again with an option to search for startups just by filling a few fields of information. Messages. Inbox where all your messages are lined up. Sent message by you. Business messages, personal messages, job-related messages, alert by the app, and etc. Funding. Funding quiz is where a quiz has to be attempted related to business for funding process, a few questions, which then decides if your business has to be invested on or not. Funding application. Here you can watch your application status where filled or not filled or pending, etc. as here it shows blank, but if you take the quiz it shows accordingly. Funding status shows whether your business startup meet and will be funded by the investors or not, and so on. Offer requirement. Post an ad. Here you can post an ad regarding the offers or your requirements. Post requirement. Here you post just a requirement according. Referral. Investor referral is where investors' referral can be seen. Referral terms and conditions. All the terms and conditions are mentioned here, the referral. Jobs. Post a job. Gives you a very amazing option of posting a job. Post job requirements of what job you've posted is seen here. Job seekers list is a list provided of who all are the job seekers, and you can conveniently monitor it. Dashboard option has alert as well as message option, clearly visible and easy to approach for notifications. The right left corner has your name mentioned alongside your photo, which brings us to other few options for help, setting, profile care, app versions, logout, etc.